Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your REDMI Pad 2. So first, check the cable and your charger for damage or compatibility with the device itself. After you check it and everything will be okay, then what you guys can do is try and clean the charging port. So the charging port is on the right side, right next to the 3.5mm jack. And if you want to clean it, then use non-metallic tools because they can only damage the port and it will be way worse. So make sure to clean it with a non-metallic tool. As I said, you can use compressed air, soft brush, and anything else that's soft and not metallic. Now test it with another fast charger or outlet one. So basically get another fast charger from your house or your friends. Doesn't matter where you get them or where you buy them. Basically get another fast charger and test it out if it works. If it does, then you use it with your normal charger and maybe the cable. Now last, what you guys can do is go over to the settings. So head over to settings and here go to about tablet and click Xiaomi HyperOS to check for software updates or maybe charging bugs, because they exist and it's very common to have a glitch with your charging. So make sure you update your software regularly. And that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.